Today I'll show you the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi 11X Pro 5G. On the front, you can see the name and image of the phone. And at the back, specifications of the phone. So let's open the box. First, you can see this lid. Inside this lid, we have SIM ejector tool and documentation like user guide. Next, you get a silicone protective cover. In addition, the company also provides USB Type-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter. Here we have the Xiaomi Mi 11X Pro 5G. It gets a 20 megapixel selfie shooting lens on the front, which promises detailed images. At the back, Xiaomi has incorporated a 108 megapixel AI triple camera setup. The phone comes in celestial silver color with matte finish. Next, we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone. And here is the 2-pin wall charger powered by a 67-watt fast charging facility. So guys, that's all you get inside the Xiaomi Mi 11X Pro 5G box. The smartphone offers a 6.67-inch AMOLED display having a pixel density of 395 ppi with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Mi 11X Pro 5G has a bezel-less punch-hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass V5 protection. On the right spine, you will find the volume rocker and the power button. The power button also works as a fingerprint sensor. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, SIM tray and a speaker grill. Mi 11X Pro 5G comes with a triple camera setup with Xiaomi branding at the bottom. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now let's get into the details about the internals. Mi 11X Pro 5G comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset with 5nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 8GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 128GB. Mi 11X Pro 5G offers a 4520 mAh battery powered by a 33-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera aspects, the phone features a 108 megapixel triple camera setup and includes a 108 megapixel primary camera supported by an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 5 megapixel macro camera. Also, the phone offers a 20 megapixel front camera. The software version of the Mi 11X Pro 5G is Android 11 with MIUI. So guys, that's it for Xiaomi Mi 11X Pro 5G. Thank you so much for watching this video.